server installation and configuration. At SYSTEMADMINSPRO, we provide services of a constant support of servers inside as well as one-time configurations. For example, we will install, configure and optimize a Linux or Windows servers for your needs. You can also order special work from us, for example, setting up an email server, web server, database, etc. We provide a full range of services for installing and configuring operation systems and software of the Windows and Linux family. Our team of professionals of different data fields will be able to solve any task assigned to it. Thanks to our extensive work experience, we can easily cope with standard questions and non-trivial solutions for installing and configuring server software. The cost of our work is below average in the IT services market and starts from $25. Each client is sure to have an individual approach and offer the best price depending on the volume and complexity of the work. Popular IT services in our arsenal: Linux service installation and configuration, Windows server installation and configuration, web server configuration, mail server setup, proxy server setup, VPN server setup, 1S server setup, IP telephony, X configuration. What kind of work on installing and configuring the server do we carry out? Determination of the server role, choice of the most suitable operating system, selection of server hardware, software and definition of licensing policy, direct hardware setup, operating system installation, installation and configuration of software for a specific server role, advanced customization of the performing for task, setting up a backup, configuring server for the source monitoring. Additionally, you can order server security configuration, performance optimization, and fault tolerance solutions. If you need to completely and professionally carry out the initial installation and configuration of the server, contact SYSTEMADMINSPRO on the website SYSTEMADMINSPRO or write to us at office@SYSTEMADMINSPRO. We will definitely find the best solution for you as soon as possible.